Spending $400 on a pair of glasses usually gets you a fancy designer name, but this time it gets you a portal into another dimension. This is not about some massive heavy headset that anchors you to a desk. We are talking about the Maverick glasses, a pair of shades that weighs about the same as your daily eyewear. It started as a bold project on a crowdfunding site, and now it is finally landing on faces. The real shocker here is the eye tracking. Usually, you have to shell out thousands of dollars to get sensors that know exactly where you are looking. These glasses have it built right in. You do not need to reach up and tap the frames or fumble with a remote. You just look at an icon and it reacts. It feels like you have developed a superpower. The display is full color, which is a massive leap for hardware in this price bracket. You see your text messages, your navigation directions, and even live sports scores floating right in front of you. Everything is crisp and positioned naturally in your field of vision. There is an intelligence behind the glass too. A digital assistant stays ready to summarize long articles or translate a menu in a foreign language on the fly. It is a hands-free way to live your life. You keep your phone in your pocket and your head up. That is the dream of augmented reality, right? The frames use adjustable nosepads and flexible arms to make sure they fit almost any face shape. You can wear them for hours without feeling that heavy pressure on your bridge. But let us talk about the trade-offs because they do exist. If you take these out on a bright, cloudless afternoon, the sun is going to win. The display can get washed out in direct light. You might find yourself searching for a bit of shade just to read your emails. Then there is the power situation. These are small and light, which means the battery cannot be huge. You will be charging these every single night next to your phone. It is a trade-off for that lightweight design. The software library is still in its early days as well. You will not find thousands of polished apps ready to go. It is a basic ecosystem for now. However, for anyone who wants to live on the bleeding edge without going broke, this is a massive milestone. It proves that the technology is finally shrinking and getting cheaper. You are not just buying a gadget. You're participating in the first wave of a new way to interact with the world. It is about keeping your hands free and your eyes on the horizon. The Maverick is a gutsy move by a smaller company. It challenges the giants by bringing high-end features to a much wider audience. It is a glimpse of a future where our digital lives blend seamlessly with our physical ones. It is not a complete computer replacement yet, but it is a perfect companion for the tech-savvy person on the move. It is not perfect, but it is undeniably exciting.